Double! What's up guys, this is Aaron from Great Lakes RC and I got the Kraton out today. I added the M2C chassis to it, a couple other small things, and I'm out at the park, so I'll do a little jump session at the park here. Oh, jeez. This might be quick because I think that destroyed that wheel. Wow. How did that hang on? Yeah, there we go, I cracked this arm. So now, that's the first time I've cracked an arm. I see lots of people say these arms aren't good. However, that was an extremely hard hit. But we're gonna keep going. We got a cracked arm, but we're still going. Double. Wow. Oh, that wasn't good. That was bad.
That was.
Oh, we smashed the body. Oh! Nose darted it.
How did it land on it?
Look at what it did. Divot. That was a hard nose landing. Seems like it's good though.
I'm sad about this crap.
I know. Seems like it's good.
I'm happy. I am happy about the big giant wheel.
Please don't take my wallet out. Are you stealing my wallet? Robert. wallet stealer. I got, I'm trying to flip a truck and not have my wallet stolen all at the same time. All right. And my wallet's stolen again.